Hello, everyone. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? So, today I'm going to talk about how to learn English alone at home. Learning English doesn't require a classroom or a teacher. With the right strategies, you can make significant progress from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this guide will show you how to master English on your own. Let's dive in. 1. Set clear goals. Before you start, define what you want to achieve. Do you want to improve your speaking, writing, listening, or all three? Setting specific, measurable goals will keep you motivated and focused. For example, I want to hold a 5-minute conversation in English within 3 months. I want to learn 10 new words every week. Having clear goals will help you track your progress and stay committed. 2. Create a study routine. Consistency is key when learning a language. Dedicate a specific time each day to study English. Even 20 to 30 minutes daily is better than cramming for hours once a week. Here's how to create a routine. Choose a time when you're most alert, mornings or evenings. Divide your time between different skills like 10 minutes for listening, 10 minutes for speaking, 10 minutes for vocabulary. Use a planner or app to track your daily progress. 3. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of language learning. Here are some effective ways to expand your word bank. Flashcards. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to memorize new words. Word lists. Focus on high-frequency words, for example, the is, have. And thematic vocabulary, for example, food, travel, work. Contextual learning. Learn words in sentences or phrases rather than in isolation. For example, instead of just learning happy, learn I am happy today. 4. Practice listening. Listening is crucial for understanding native speakers and improving your pronunciation. Here's how to practice. Podcasts. Listen to English podcasts on topics you enjoy. Start with slower-paced ones like BBC Learning English or ESL Pod. YouTube. Watch videos with subtitles. Channels like TED Talks or English Addict with Mr. Steve are great resources. Movies and TV shows. Watch with English subtitles and try to mimic the actor's pronunciation. 5. Speak out loud. Speaking is the best way to improve fluency. Even if you're alone, you can practice. Shadowing. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately, mimicking the speaker's tone and speed. Self-talk. Describe your daily activities in English, like, I am making coffee, I am reading a book. Record yourself. Record your voice and compare it to native speakers. Identify areas for improvement. 6. Think in English. Thinking in English helps you process the language faster. Start with simple thoughts. Name objects around you in English, like chair, table, window. Narrate your day in your mind, like, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. Gradually move to more complex sentences and ideas. 7. Use language apps. There are countless apps designed to help you learn English. Some popular ones include Duolingo, great for beginners to build vocabulary and grammar. HelloTalk, connect with native speakers for language exchange. Grammarly, improve your writing skills with real-time feedback. 8. Read regularly. Reading improves your vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Start with materials that match your level. Beginner, children's books or graded readers. Intermediate, news articles or short stories. Advanced, novels or academic papers. Make a habit of noting down new words and phrases. 9. Write every day. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and reinforce what you've learned. Try these exercises. Journaling. Write about your day or your thoughts in English. Summarizing. Summarize articles or videos you've watched. Creative writing. Write short stories or essays on topics you enjoy. 10. Join online communities. Even if you're learning alone, you can connect with others online. Forums. Join platforms like Reddit or language learning forums. Social media. Follow English learning pages on Instagram or Facebook. Virtual meetups. Participate in online language exchange events. 11. Stay motivated. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Here's how to stay motivated. Celebrate small wins like learning 50 new words or holding a short conversation. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Remind yourself why you started learning English in the first place. Trust yourself. Learning English alone at home is entirely possible with the right mindset and strategies. By setting clear goals, practicing consistently, and using the resources available to you, you can achieve fluency without ever stepping into a classroom. Remember, the key is to start today and never give up. Happy learning! Okay, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave a comment to hear your opinion. And I would like to say, I am trying to upload new educational videos and stories every day as I can to keep your learning journey fun and engaging. Don't forget to follow me and join us on this adventure toward mastering English.
So, see you in the next time.